All right, today we're going to dive into a platform that is really trying to completely change the game for creatives. It's called AOS Studio, and the promise here is pretty simple. It's designed to take you all the way from just a little spark of an idea to a finished, totally marketable product, and get this, all in one place.
You know, for any artist or designer listening, this question probably hits pretty close to home. You know the drill, right? You've got this brilliant idea, but then comes the grind. You're juggling a dozen different apps, spending hours on really tedious stuff like cutting out backgrounds, and then you face this huge disconnect between your amazing design and actually getting it up for sale. It's a pain.
And that, right there, is the exact problem AOS Studio was built to solve. It's a super smart, AI-powered platform that's designed to bring that whole fragmented mess together. From the initial spark of creating the art, all the way through marketing your final product. It's all under one roof.
Okay, so let's dive in. First up, going from that initial spark to a full-blown masterpiece. And our journey, like any good creative journey, begins right inside the creator studio. This is where the idea starts to become real.
And the workflow? It's actually brilliantly simple. First, you just generate your art. You can use powerful AI models to turn simple text prompts into these stunning high-res designs. Then, and this is cool, with just one click, you can create a seamless all-over print pattern. And finally, you make it perfect. You enhance it. Use the AI tools to instantly remove a background, upscale the image to HD, or even vectorize it, which basically turns it into a scalable graphic that you can resize to a billboard without losing any quality.
And this is where you can really see the difference. Just look at the traditional way versus the AOS Studio way. I mean, things that used to take hours and some complicated software are now done in seconds. Specialized skills, like making patterns, that's now a one-click AI job. The difference in speed and just pure efficiency is absolutely massive.
So you've got your art. Now what? Well, next, your art becomes a product. Now that you have this amazing digital file, the platform helps you get it ready for the real world. You know, turning a bunch of pixels into something you can actually hold and sell.
And you can see what it's going to look like instantly. The platform is loaded with a whole library of product templates, so whether you're dreaming up t-shirts, mugs, canvases, posters, tote bags, you name it, you can immediately see your design on an actual physical item.
But the real magic here is the mockup editor. This isn't just about slapping a flat image onto a picture of a t-shirt. No, this is a totally interactive tool. You can move, resize, and position your art in real time, and you can see these really realistic surface effects. It gives you a true-to-life preview of what that final product is going to look like.
So once you've got it looking absolutely perfect, the platform does all the heavy lifting to get it ready for printing. It generates those crucial high-resolution, print-ready files like PNGs or SVGs that your manufacturing partner needs. This ensures that what you see on the screen is exactly what you get in your hands. Okay, your product is designed. It's beautiful. Now for the hard part, right? Selling it. Well, maybe not. The next step is all about marketing in a click, by basically automating the entire path to getting it sold. One of the coolest features here has got to be the AI vision analysis. The system literally looks at your mockup, recognizes, hey, that's a t-shirt on a blue background, and then automatically fills out all the complicated product details for you. Think about all the time that saves. And to put a number on that, just check this out. For a single t-shirt listing on a marketplace, the AI can fill out 117 different data columns. That's 117 fields, things like color, style, keywords, that you do not have to type in by hand.
And now, the automation does not stop there. With a single click, you can generate a whole suite of marketing assets. We're talking Amazon-compliant images, slick marketing videos with that smooth Ken Burns effect, and even AI-guided social media posts to help you promote your brand new product. It's the whole package.
Now this all sounds great if you're a solo creator, but what happens when your team starts to grow? Let's take a look at how AOS Studio helps you collaborate and actually scale your business. Well, the platform has these built-in roles, which is super smart. So your designer can have a creator role focused just on the artwork tools, while your marketing person can have access to manage the product listings and social media. It lets your whole team work together efficiently without tripping over each other. It even streamlines how you work with people outside your company. You can package up all your print-ready files into what's called a print production bundle and just share it with a secure link. Your printing partner gets everything they need, and you can track the status in real time, from pending to approved to ready for listing. It's so clean.
And you might be wondering, what's powering all this magic? Well, it's all built on a seriously powerful technical foundation. It's using the best-in-class APIs for everything, from AI image generation to background removal and vectorization. This creates a really robust and reliable engine for your entire creative business.
So, to kind of sum it all up, this quote really nails it. AOS Studio is a true end-to-end platform. It empowers creators to not just make art, but to actually build a business around it, from that very first spark of an idea all the way to a product that's ready to sell.
Which really just leaves us with this one final thought. By automating all the tedious, technical, and time-consuming parts of the creative process, the platform really just wants to do one thing: get out of your way. So the real question is, what will you create when you're finally free to just focus on your vision?